Hi guys. Yeah, today I have created a password strength checker tool, which is built by me and with written by Python programming language. And this is my GitHub portfolio. So I'll tell you about this later. And now I will show you the password strength checker tool. And now after that, I'll explain the code and will show you the outputs. Then I will also share you the repository of the project, and then okay, we'll go on it. So this is a call Linux. So then now we should go to the folder. We need to see how many folders also. So we had two folders, I mean which two projects. So I need to go to password strength checker. So inside this we had common passwords, outputs, and password strength checker tool. So we need to open this Python file in the VM editor. So you can also use your relevant or which your um, particular request. So I'd like to open this in VM because it's very user friendly. So you can see this is all the code about it. So now I'll explain briefly. So I have imported two libraries, which is regular expression and math. And so the main function starts from main is so it starts from here. Okay, then it says that it input like please enter a password to check strength. So then we enter password. Then next it will checks for that passwords and checker password. So it will call the function. So because it is a caller, and then it will goes to the top, which is the beginning function. So I have declared a list, and then I ask for length password of length, and these are the requirements. I mean, these are the requirements when a password should be a good password. So it has the length password should be 12, and uppercase, lowercase, numericals, and special characters. So if any of this doesn't consist in the password, so it will append these string into the quotes list. Okay, then after all completing these lines, then it will ask for if not quotes, I mean if anything is not in the quotes, so it will display as strong password. Because if anything consists, so the requirements should be appended to the quotes, so it's not a good password. So for like that I have made like this, and else, and it will print the whatever the I mean strings in the codes list. Because if consist, it will print. It doesn't, it won't. Okay, then but it is also, I'm also written code for password entropy, because the entropy can says that the complexity of the password. Okay, here the password and length pass, these are the requirements for the calculation. So the essential character set should be 0, and I asked for character states of each requirements. Because if you see uppercase has 26 letters and I mean characters, and lowercase also 26, and numericals 0 to 9, which is 10, and special characters which are included, those are the 17 special characters. So these are the things which for character set. And then to calculate the entropy, we had formula like log2 and character state into, I mean square length pass. So when after doing these calculations, we get some entropy value, and we are doing the conditional statements for checking whether it is under this certain range. So then we can declare as this very strong or made moderate, and weak or very weak. Okay, and then we're also giving the features like time to crack. So at how much time it will take to crack this password which we have given. Because if something if we included this kind of feature in this strength checker tool, because then you can get some confidence. Because by doing this much length of the password or this much complexity, so you can get some good feeling. So our password is really some good password. If you given that much good password, okay, then it will call I mean it will call this like I mean function, then calculates the time in seconds, and then again it will ask the function to convert time in seconds, then goes here and calculate the times and time in seconds to generally in the year, a day and hours, seconds, and okay, it converts and it will return to the function here, and it will display here the password entropy and the time to crack, and then ultimately in the final function is uniqueness password. So it checks for uniqueness, whether it has a unique password. Uh, how can you can check whether it is unique password is, we had a common password dot text file, which it has common passwords. So the given password is in the file of common password list. So then it is a common password. If it doesn't consist in the given common password list, so then it is not a common password, it's a unique one. So it checks like that. I mean it determines that password in password list, so that if it is in, then it is a common password. If it is not, so then it's not a common password. So now we will get back to the terminal and we'll execute that function, I mean tool, so which is passwords and checker tool. So it is giving the display please enter password. So I'm giving like random password. So okay, it has all things. So please you can see that strong password is a strong password and its complexity is strong. The strength, I mean entropy is 75.65, which is very good, and estimated time to crack is some 1 lakh, it is I mean 18 lakh 73,077 years. This is not a exactly accurate ones, and we have made some calculations with our assumptions, which the force, I mean brute force with the high performance machine, because it's giving that much. If you do with some combinations and the per second cracking things, so it will take a lot of time even with comparing with this. So like this, and now again we will do with another common password, which is like sorry, oops, and with so you can see like okay, I love you, like this, I love you, maybe it will not good password. So you can see this password length should be a 12, and these are the I mean I said you right, if the password doesn't consist of these things, so it will append to the port list, because so it will appends and it will display whether it doesn't it will check for if the list consists any strings or not. If it consists, it will display like this, and complexity is moderate and the entropy is very low. You can see that's 37, and estimated time to crack is very 0.000 than 3 minutes, because you know that a higher performance machine has a lot of GPU power, so it can easily crack this kind of unique in common passwords. And the given is this is the common password, and is a common password, please enter. So it said that please enter a q1. So like this our tool will has this kind of features. Okay, you can use for your general purpose, like checking your password is it has strong or I mean it's unique or not, and it and you can also know that how much time to crack the password and its complexity and its entropy. Okay, so this is all about my project, and now I will show you the GitHub repository of this project. So the network is at least shows. So come, let it come. Hey, sell this one. తీసుకోవద్దు మరి ఆడిపోయింది ఇది. Because the network is very slow, so can you please wait, guys? I'm trying to do, but so okay, I can show you it later because the network is, I got a network issue. So I'll show you later, guys. Okay, 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 wait. So it came. So this is the strength checker tool repository. So let me please wait, guys. So okay, guys, I'll show you later. Thanks. This is all about our project. Thanks for giving this opportunity.